I've say 1,000 times, we speak a specific language.
Yeah.
It's cut and dry, cut the crap, tell me how it is kind of mentality. And veterans appreciate that.
Yeah.
They're like, I don't want to hear this and I don't want to hear that. I want, how much is it going to cost? How long is it going to take? How much do I need? But whatever the case is, and you tell them, they're like, good, let's make it happen.
Yeah.
That's it. Which, you have, non-veterans that are like, they just
drag it along.
Yeah.
So, providing false hope.
Which is not, a bad thing. It's just, that's where, Christina and I, we separate ourselves from a lot of other agents is, we build relationships.
Yes.
That's
huge.
You're not a number, you're not a client, you're a friend. I want to help you get into the perfect home. I want to make your kids happy because, they're moving into a mansion to them, or whatever the case is, we're going to check in on you. How are you doing? How's the moving going?
And not just a random check-in on Veterans Day or this day,
right.
The obligatory check-in points. It's like I'll send a random text, just, hey, just checking in on you. How you doing, man?
It. Yeah.
Or I had a client that, Army veteran who, she was 8 months pregnant when we closed. I don't know how we closed this loan. I mean, this was
a rough one too.
We did it.
Yeah.
We did it, and we did it early.
Yeah.
And I was like, whew, sweet.
Standard.
But the whole thing was that she needed to be in the house by
the due date.
September 15th or something like that, because the baby was due on the 21st. All right.
Yeah.
Something around that time. Well, we got her in at the beginning of the month. She had 2 extra weeks to move in.
Nice.
And I just saw that she had her baby. So, of course, instead of the Facebook message, or post,
it's more personal.
You send a text message or a phone call.
You're
just going one extra step further. And how long did it take me? 10 seconds to pull up the, text messaging app and not the Facebook app.
Right.
Like it's really not that hard, and veterans appreciate that.
Absolutely.
You're listening to what I'm saying.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.